Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this. Like how to remove the door, the interior door handle, your home door handle. So first we need a screwdriver. The tool you use a screwdriver. Undo this. Remember to go anti-clockwise when you're loosening. So you loosen like this. Remove this screw. Undo this. Then you undo that screw there. Depends on your door handle. If you have 4 screws, undo every single screw there. And then when you're done, take off the door handle. If you're swapping out your door handle, maybe because it lost its springness or something, or maybe it went floppy. The reason why you have to change the door handle because maybe it's not closed. Maybe it's gone floppy and not. Maybe the door handle's gone floppy and it's causing the door not to close properly. So you put on the new door handle and tighten it up with a screwdriver, with the same screwdriver you used to loosen it. Do exactly the same process. Tighten this up. Tighten this up. And that's it. The door handle is nice and tight. The door handle is nice and tight. That's how you change the door handle. That's how you remove the door handle.